Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the sheets and then attach it in a vertical and horizontal way and then bring it all together, staple it nicely. Now bring it all together and then staple it. It's done. For the next one, take a circular sheet and then fold it nicely. Now take another circular sheet and then make a swirl out of it as shown in the video. Now do it as shown in the video, paste it all together. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then draw these two fingers out of it and then cut it nicely. It will look like this. Now take another sheet, paste it very nicely and gently make the lines. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then put some glue all over it and paste another sheet onto it and then fold it nicely as shown in the video. Now take a glue and paste the cute little eyes out of it and the nose and the ears, and your cute little fox is done. For the next one in the video, take the stripes of a sheet and then roll it nicely as shown in the video. Now take a circular sheet and paste the cute little eyes, nose, and then attach the cute little legs out of it. Attach the sheets as shown in the video. Repeat the process and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet of a given size, cut it nicely and then do it as shown in the video. Make so many out of it, attach it all together of different colors. Now take a bottle, cut it into half and then start pasting the sheet all over it. Now take another sheet, make a handle out of it and then paste the cute little borders and it's all done. For this one, take a net and then put the another net inside it and tie it with the help of elastic as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now take a clay and make the balls out of it and bring it all together and paste it nicely in a stick. It will look like this. Now make so many out of it, attach it. It's done. For the next one, take a sheet and then fold it nicely from all the sides and then keep folding it all horizontally and vertically and then fold the edges of it. Now take another sheet, put it inside it and it will look like this. Now make so many out of it with different colors and then paste it nicely on another sheet and it's done. Thanks for watching.